Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready, ready, start. In this petition filed under section 482 of CRPC, the petitioner has sought for quashing the entire proceedings in CC number 7455 oblique 2007 on the file of the 6th ACMM Bangalore inter alia on the grounds that the entire investigation carried on by the investigating officer in respect of non-cognizable offence without obtaining necessary permission from the jurisdictional magistrate as required by subsection within bracket 2 of section 155 of CRPC is without jurisdiction, and the learned magistrate could not have taken cognizance of the offence on the basis of the charge sheet filed pursuant to such investigation carried without jurisdiction. Stop. The second respondent filed a complaint before the Alsor Gate Police Station on 2/1/2007 inter alia, alleging that at about 11 a.m. on 2/1/2007, when he was trying to park his scooter within the compound of City Civil Court at Bangalore, the petitioner herein objected for the same and threatened him with injuries on the ground that he has filed criminal revision petition against him, thereby he has committed the offence. Stop. On the basis of the said complaint, the PSI Alsur Gate Police Station registered the case in crime number 2/2007 for the offence punishable under section 506 of IPC, and after completing investigation he laid the charge sheet for the said offence. Stop. As per the first schedule dealing with classification of offences attached to CRPC, the offence of criminal intimidation punishable under section 506 of IPC is a non-cognizable and bailable offence triable by any magistrate. Stop. Section 155 of CRPC deals with information as to the non-cognizable cases and investigation in such cases. Stop. According to subsection within bracket 1 of section 155 CRPC, when information as to commission of non-cognizable offence is given, the officer in charge of police station shall enter or cause to be entered the substance of the information in a book to be kept by such officer in such form as the state government may prescribe in this behalf, and refer the informant to the magistrate. Stop. According to subsection within bracket 2 of section 155 of CRPC, no police officer shall investigate the non-cognizable case without the order of a magistrate having power to try such case or commit the case for trial. Stop. Thus, no police officer has jurisdiction to take, investigate a non-cognizable offence without obtaining permission of the jurisdictional magistrate. Stop. In a case, this court has held that under section 155 within bracket 2 of CRPC, any investigation by a police officer into the non cognizable offence without the requisite permission or order of the magistrate stop and over। सो ये हमारी 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल एंड ऑल्सो लाइक द डिक्टेशन। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।